How to create a new user account on Windows 10. First, everyone goes to Start. Select Settings. Select Account. Select Family and Other Users. Select Add someone else to this PC. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Select Add a user with a Microsoft account. Next, everyone enters a username. Then enter the password and confirm the password. Then everyone enters the security questions so they can recover the password if forgotten. After entering everything, everyone selects Next. Just like that, we have created an account on Windows 10. We can change the permissions for the new account by selecting the new account. Select Change Account Type. Everyone can change it to Administrator. Select OK. Now I will sign into the new account I just created. I enter the password. Just like that, we can create an account on Windows 10.